How to create simple cover art design in Adobe Photoshop. First, make a new document having width and height 2000 px. Then add your image you want to edit. Select the rectangle tool with width and height 1000 and 2000 respectively. Now add text. You can use any font you want. Then set the font leading and adjust it to the center. Change the blending option and change the knockout to shallow. Group the text and shape together to see the effect. Add another rectangle having width and height 1800 and 1800. Again adjust it to center. And go to the blending option to add inside stroke. You can change the color to whichever you want. Also add an ellipse and change its color. Duplicate it and adjust it to the opposite corner. Now add another text box and change its blending mode to soft light. And add a color loop up layer to enhance its color. Thanks. So this is how you can create a cover art design in Adobe Photoshop. All for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.